So, I've just lost absolute monster. Took the fly right at my feet. Yeah, I don't really know. Thought I saw a flash at my feet earlier on. Fishing right at the tight margins, the river's tanking through. So I thought, literally just fish these little flooded pools. Normally where you're stood fishing. And fish come up. Took a big flashaboo fly. Melted all the line strands in the middle of the river. Did a tail walk. What point I saw how big it was. Well over 20 pound. Biggest fish I think I've hooked probably in 18 months of fishing. Slammed me, come all the way in, tail walk, tanked it down the right hand bank, and then yeah, got it in again. It did like a 10-foot run, up it came, shook its head on the surface, just pings a fly straight back in my face. Got it. But hey ho, let's get another one. Ooh. Ooh.